Imagine a world teetering on the brink, where unseen microscopic organisms hold the terrifying power to dismantle our very existence. Today, we venture into a realm of scientific urgency, a chilling discovery bacteria with the potential to eradicate humanity as we know it. Under the microscope, we'll delve deep, exploring the intricacies of these unseen threats that could redefine life itself. The specific bacteria in question are not the commonplace pathogens we're familiar with. They are, in fact, entities of a different nature altogether, possessing unique and alarming characteristics that set them apart. Perhaps they've developed an uncanny resistance to even the most potent antibiotics, rendering our current medical defenses obsolete. Or, even more frighteningly, they may have the capacity to reproduce at an alarming rate, a biological wildfire spreading exponentially. Their method of attack could manifest in various terrifying forms, ranging from the insidious release of powerful, debilitating toxins to the rapid spread of a novel, incurable disease, or perhaps something even more sinister and unknown, something that our current understanding cannot yet grasp. This isn't merely a hypothetical scenario spun from science fiction. It is, in fact, an urgent reality. Scientists across the globe are tirelessly dedicating their lives to researching these organisms, working around the clock to decipher their behavior, their evolutionary patterns, and their devastating potential impact on human civilization. They are racing against time, pursuing every avenue of scientific inquiry, attempting to find a way to combat these threats, to develop effective treatments and preventative measures before these microscopic adversaries gain irreversible control before it is, tragically, too late. But what factors have led us to this precarious point? What environmental conditions have enabled these dangerous organisms to thrive? One of the primary drivers behind this alarming trend is, undeniably, our planet's rapidly changing environment. The effects of climate change, the pervasive scourge of pollution, and the widespread, often indiscriminate, overuse of antibiotics have all coalesced, creating a perfect storm, contributing to the rise and proliferation of these deadly organisms. They are evolving, adapting, and growing stronger, fueled by the very actions of humanity itself. So what actions can we as a global community take? Where do we begin in this fight for our future? Awareness is the absolute and crucial first step. Understanding the full scope of the dangers, educating ourselves about the potential consequences, and actively supporting crucial scientific research are absolutely key to finding viable, effective, and sustainable solutions. Prevention, too, is of paramount importance.